Welcome to the Module 6 of the Chromafor project, entitled Sharing and Spreading the Circular Economy and Their Values in the Foundry Sector. And this is Unit 2, entitled Green Visibility. The topics of the unit are internal communication and green engagement, best tool, channel and tips, and best practices. This unit is related mainly to the internal communication, so to the procedure and the strategies that the company adopts to inform its staff about its practices and, in particular, about its green practices. Internal communication and green engagement. Let's give at first a definition of internal communication. Internal communication is a complex of any communication activity toward the inside of the organization, including official organizational and management communication, informal chat, and rumors among employees. So, it includes all the activities of communication inside the company. It can be formal or informal. Of course, it's a very important aspect of a company, so it is expected that a structured company has a structured strategy for the internal communication with specific procedures. It may happen in different forms, maybe verbal, non-verbal, individual, group or mass communication, can be conscious or unconscious, centralized or decentralized. Why we need an internal communication? There are several reasons. Providing current information making company more effective, sharing company's mission, values and strategies, creating a pleasant working atmosphere, enhancing employees' motivation, introducing changes into organization. One of the main reasons is to make employees aware of what the company is doing. This is a way to make the employees more linked to the company. They feel part of the company. And also they are informed of the different processes and of the news of the company activities. In particular, the green engagement is the involvement of employees in environmental concerns and green transitions and changes of their firm. It's a core topic for human research management to achieve good results in terms of consistency and trust. Basically, if a company adopts a green strategy, as we have said, it must be not just a greenwashing, but a real activity, and to organize it in a successful way, it's necessary that all the employees are part of this strategy. And so, employees must be aware of the green strategy. This helps also the employee to be motivated to act in a greener way, to be protagonist of the green strategy of the company. Best tools, channels and tips. Since we have decided that we have to realize internal green communication, we have to decide the best tools and channels to be adopted that can be different. For example, we have intranet for information, enterprise news and policies. We have forums to further sharing of knowledge, doubts, solving problems. We have blogs to further cooperation and sharing, private messaging for direct contacts among employees, and software app for meeting and planning. We discuss about the utility and the efficiency of these tools and channels. Of course, it's in charge of the human resource management to decide what are the best tools and channels according to the company activity and the company organization. Some tips. Here are several ways for human resource manager to get employees involved in turning green. Shared vision. awareness of employees, make it fun, be an example. Basically, the human resource managers have different choices. They have to be able to decide the most efficient ones according to the company, organization, and activity. And in the lesson, we show the different ways and the efficiency that is possible to achieve. Best practices. Finally, the unit ends with some exercises on green internal communication. The first exercise consists of considering two different cases of internal communication and underline the channel used, effects, and add personal observation. So, starting from existing internal communication, start to work on it and try to understand how it is realized. Another exercise is related to the choice of one example among the one proposed in links and to find a second by yourself. So, we assign among a list of links an example of green communication and the students has to be able to find another one for comparison or for realizing it. These exercises can be used in different ways, or with a mentor that is supervising the activity of the learners, or just by the learners as self-learning activity. We always remember that this video is just an introduction to the unit, and all the didactic materials of the unit are on the project website www.chromafor.eu. Thanks for the attention and follow us.